To be able to use the Instagram bot, make sure that your Instagram account is a business account and is connected to a business Facebook account or page. So, if you want to do that, go to Facebook and then one of your business pages. Click on the setting, scroll down to find Instagram, and click on it. And then here, if you haven't connected any Instagram account yet, you will see a button with Connect Account. When you click on that, you can connect your Facebook business account to your Instagram business account, and that will allow you to use your Instagram chatbot with your Instagram account. In my case, I have already connected my Instagram account. Now, go to the dashboard and click Import Account. And then, click on Login with Facebook. Select the Instagram business account and also select the Facebook page that is connected with the Instagram account. Now, enable the bot connection. Here I have already enabled the bot connection. Now, let's start creating a chatbot. Let's say we are a company and we want to use an Instagram chatbot to automatically reply to our potential customers. The first thing we can do is set up a conversation starter. When someone wants to start a conversation, these messages will be shown automatically to users. This is useful because we can guide the user in a certain direction. We can create this by using the icebreakers. So let's create an icebreaker. Go to the Messenger bot and click on Bot Settings. Click on the Get Started settings and enable the icebreaker. For example, a potential customer wants to know the opening time. Let's create a question for that and put the answer. For an answer, we can select any previous reply message template or any postback, or any chatbot that we have created before to redirect the user to some point of your chatbot. We can also add a new reply message. Click on Add Message Template. Give a name for the template, select the reply type and write the message. We can add more questions by clicking on Add More Questions. The other way to start a conversation with your customer is by replying to the customer based on a keyword or sentence. When they have something else to ask other than the predefined questions from Icebreaker. So, let's create a bot by using the Visual Flow Builder. To be able to use the Visual Flow Builder, you must need the Visual Flow Builder add-on. Otherwise, you have to use the Messenger bot to create a chatbot. Click on Create New Flow, select the page under Instagram and click OK. The Flow Builder canvas will open with a dock menu on the left side. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow to configure it. Give a title for it. We can also choose labels and use sequences here. Now, let's take a trigger and configure it. We will put keywords, separating by commas. That means this bot will be triggered when users send a message with any of these keywords. Then connect the trigger with the Start Bot Flow. We can use text, image, or generic template for a reply. There are more options to use for a reply. Let's take a generic template for the first reply and connect it. It has a button with it by default. We can remove the button if we want to. Double-click on the generic template to configure it. We can add an image and give a title and subtitle for it. Give a button text and select button type. Give a title for the new postback. Now, let's take a text reply and connect it. Double-click on it to enter text. We can also use the full name of the user and then add text. Let's drag Quick Reply from the dock menu and drop it on the canvas. We can also clone it from the right-click menu. Configure them and connect with the previous text reply. Also, give names for new postbacks. We can use a carousel to show products. So, when the user will click on the Quick Reply button, Kids Fashion, they will see this carousel, also a button with each carousel to buy the product. We will add images, and a web URL of the product, from the e-commerce store, which we have already created. We can rearrange everything by clicking the Rearrange button. We can also use the e-commerce store as a reply. Double-click and select the store from the drop-down menu. We can select products from the e-commerce store for carousel reply. We can give a different name for Buy Now button. Finally, let's save the bot. We can also add a sequence to this bot. We can add sequence in a postback. If a user reaches that point of the bot, then this sequence will send messages, after the current message window is closed. We can use any kind of reply on sequence. For instance, I am just using the text replies. We need to put a sequence name. Also a starting and a closing time. Select the time zone and click OK button. Now, let's check if the bot is working perfectly. Icebreakers will show up, only for a user that hasn't chat before. Yes, the icebreaker is just working perfectly. Now, let's check with a keyword. Yes, the bot is working perfectly. There is another useful feature of this add-on, that is, we can automatically send a private reply to the commenter. Let's see how to do that. Go to the Comment Growth tool and click on Reply Template under the Instagram. Click on Create New Template. We can hide or delete any offensive keywords. Write the offensive keywords separated by comma. We can also send a private reply to the commenter after deleting the offensive comment. Give a name for the campaign and write the filter word or sentence. Write the comment reply text. Select a message template for private reply. Put a different reply text and select a different message template for no matching found. Finally, click on Submit. Now, go back to Comment Growth tool again. And then go to Automation Campaign. Click on Settings button of the post. Enable Auto Comment Reply. Select the template we have just made. Finally click Submit. Let's check the comment private reply. Yes, it has given a private reply, also replied to the comment. We can also give an automatic reply to a story, if they mention us on their story. Let's see how to create one. Go to Visual Flow Builder again, and click on Create New Flow. Select the Instagram account and then click OK. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow, and give a title for this bot. Take a action button from the dock menu and connect with Start Bot Flow. Double-click on the action button and select the action type as Story Mention. Now, we can give any kind of reply we want. For example, I am just using a simple text reply. Add the text and we are done. Let's check the story mention. Yes, it's working perfectly.